Okay, so welcome back to part 3 of my little mini documentary series, just highlighting our holiday which we had in Cyprus in April 2022. This is the second day in the hire car, and this particular day we're going to be travelling to the north and to the west of our location, which is just outside of Paphos.
Where's the map gone, Sal? Where's the map gone? Okay, so today is the second day of hiring the car. So we're going to carry on exploring. Oh, a minute. Get it right in a moment. Right, so we are near Paphos, just to the north of it. Yesterday we travelled all the way down here, that region there. Troodos Mountains, the top of ski centre and all the rest of it. So today we're going to go down to Coral Bay, which is there, and there's a few shipwrecks. There's one just outside of Paphos, and there's another one over here somewhere. That's a rough road, so we might be able to go up there to a few beaches. Lara beach apparently is very nice, and then we perhaps go over the top here for a little bit. Anyway, it's going to be quite a long day today. I've got my drone with me, and the cameras, and a bit of imagination, and a little bit of knowledge. Mind you, a little bit of knowledge is sort that out, so we always struggle with those damn things. They say a little bit of knowledge is very dangerous, but if it's truthful knowledge, then it's going to be all right. Right, I'm going to set the sat nav up, and then we're going to hit the road and make tracks. Right, back with you in a moment.
Okay, so this is the first planned stop of several different stops we're going to be going to. This is the Edro III Shipwreck, which is about 8 or 10 miles from the hotel.
Alright, so we just off out to our first little destination on our travels. We come up to the reading from Wikipedia. We were here several years ago before the lockdown. So this is Edro III. The Sierra Leone flagged Edro III ran aground off Pegia on the 8th of October 2011. Okay, so a bit more recent than I thought. In heavy seas during a voyage to Rhodes from Limassol, Cyprus, with a cargo of plasterboard. At the time of the incident, the ship had 9 crew members, 7 Albanians and 2 Egyptians. The crew were rescued and airlifted to the safety of Paphos by a local British military helicopter. There's some more information, perhaps I'll stick a link down below. So that was the Edro III from Freetown in Sierra Leone. Didn't quite make it to Rhodes. Definitely didn't get back to Freetown in Sierra Leone. It's been there since 2011. Now we're going to go a bit further up the road, 32 minutes to a place called Lara Beach, which is supposed to be very nice.
Head northeast towards Thalasine on Spelian.
Thalasine von Spelian, wherever that is. Right, we just stopped off. We were just driving down the road there, and the view around here is just wonderful. So I thought we'd stop here and do just that. That's a bit of a drop, isn't it? There's a bit of a drop there, Sar. Don't get too close to the edge because you can see where the rocks are falling in. So we'll get you about here somewhere. David Bailey, eat your heart out. You are entering into south coast of Akamas Peninsula.
Voidless train,
Akamas.
Firelight Company.
Okay. Well, we're allowed. Oh, there's someone else up here. Look. Perhaps they got a busted tyre or something. Hello. Is the beach? We on the right road to the beach?
Yes. It's a little bit difficult, like here.
Right.
But,
Gets easier, does it?
Straight, and there will be a sign to turn left.
Brilliant.
To the beach. And
Okay.
you can park everywhere.
You're going that way. You're gonna have fun and games in that, I tell you. Take care. Right, Marge. We're on the right road. That's all right. It's giving me a bit more confidence now because I was getting a little bit worried. Oh, hang on.
Yeah, watch the road, not the car.
Keep the car in one piece.
Not the tyres in one place.
Yeah, the tyres, yeah. Right. After a 45-minute drive or thereabouts, God, I tell you, that was a hell of a journey. That was, my goodness me. I would not have gotten down there with my car. Just seeing there's any damage to it. No, I did take it very, very gently actually. Although it's a hire car, I do respect it. Anyway, yeah, we've arrived, Lara Beach. I think these guys got the right idea with all the quad bikes and the buggies and one thing or another. Yeah, so we're gonna, there's a little restaurant over there. So I fancy some something to drink and something to eat. Not sure what's on the menu yet, but we're going to have a little looky. There's quite a few people there actually. Spin you around, have a little look. Yeah. Very secluded area. Burgers, salads, omelettes, grill, kebab. €9, which is about £8. A lot of money actually for that. What your fancies are? What do you fancy? Apart from me, of course.
I've left you the olive.
Oh, well done. Oh, yeah. Cheeseburger. Right, cheeseburger. You got the Greek salad. And we got some chips. Wonderful. Lovely. Makes for good memories. Nice juicy burger as well. Ooh, that's a bit hot. Wow. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Right. Gives you a little idea of where we are. Middle of nowhere, kind of. Quick fly around just to for sort of posterity, really, just to remind us whereabouts we've been on our little travels. Lara Beach. That's the Mediterranean over there. Kind of looking back. Yeah. There's our hire car there. And the quad bike guys are about to go, as you can see. Okay, video update. We're now back on the road again. We're going to go to Aphrodite's baths, which is about 50 minutes away. So literally we just left that cafe. That was nice, enjoyed that. Daisy, we go again. This is where you need an agricultural vehicle right now. Goats and dogs on the road. Oh hello, we're going to get mauled by a load of dogs.
That's all right then. Hello, boyses.
Hello, way doggies. Hello, boys.
Hello,
Hello, boysy boyses.
hello.
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 Come on, other way. How are you? You good? Good.
Hello.
Your goats? Your goats?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh, lots of them up there. Look.
Yeah, lots of goats up there. Yeah, yeah. Thank
Hello,
you.
darling.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye, little dog.
Yeah, okay. I don't think you can speak a word of English.
No.
Greek myth. Aphrodite, I think from memory, she was the god of love. Allegedly born in Cyprus. I don't think anyone knows when, but apparently she was born near Aphrodite's rock, which is to the east of Paphos. So allegedly this is where she took the plunge every now and again. So that's it there apparently. This is where Aphrodite used to bathe.
With your teeth.
He wouldn't get me in there, that's for sure. There you go. Do not bathe. 5th, I think, April 2022. Aphrodite's bath, Aphrodite's pool, whatever you want to call it. What some people have been doing, we've noticed this, they've been coming down here, they've been washing their face in this water here. For some reason. I'm not sure what that's all about.
Put it all over your face.
Ah, full condition.
Lovely, lovely.
Yes, yes. You wash your face for forever young and beautiful.
Oh.
Full
right.
condition.
Let's go for it then.
How old do you want to be? 21 again? Which she said yesterday she wants to be 21 again.
After you need a new man,
Oh, I need loads of it.
Yeah, you need to get in that pool, mate. You need to get in the pool.
After half hour you change.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so once we left Aphrodite's baths, which was literally about 300 yards away from this particular spot. Now this is part of what's known as the Akamas National Park, the Akamas Peninsula. It's a part of the island. It's kind of tucked up on the north and the west side of Cyprus, and we were here a few years ago, and it was just reminded me so much of Cornwall, especially the northern coast of Cornwall, where you've got the rocks, you know, you've got the crashing waves, you've got the cliffs, and it's just a lovely place to be. The weather was perfect. It was just a sunny day. You could see for a long way, and it was just a great chance for me to get out and cut loose with the old drone and just have a bit of a blast around. So this actual place here is part of a campsite. It's not open at the moment, but it will be open, I guess, latter part of May. So yeah, it's just a lovely place to be, as you can see. Okay, so this is the end of part 3. Part 4 is going to be something slightly different. I've got lots of random little clips all over the place kind of thing, so I can bunch them all up, stick them in one video, and that could be kind of different but hopefully kind of interesting. So thanks for watching part 3. Part 4 is going to be in the making next day or so. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.